To locate gallbladder 20, put your finger on a spot that is just below the base of your ear. Your finger will be between two bones, the jawbone in the front and the mastoid process in the back. Move your finger backwards so that it travels over the mastoid process. Now press into the area behind the mastoid process to find the point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is gallbladder 20. You may have to move to one side a little bit. Activate gallbladder 20 by rubbing the ear quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find gallbladder 20 on the other side and repeat.